Welcome, students. Today, we are diving into the language of life, biochemistry. By definition, biochemistry is the branch of science that deals with the chemistry of life and living systems. It is the meeting point where biology and chemistry merge to explain how we exist at a molecular level. As Nobel laureate Arthur Kornberg said, much of life can be understood in rational terms if expressed in the language of chemistry. Today, we'll cover the milestones, the sub-branches, and the chemical building blocks you need to know for your exams. History is a favorite topic for examiners. Let's look at the Hall of Fame in biochemistry. 1828 Friedrich Wöhler, he changed science forever by synthesizing urea from an inorganic compound, ammonium cyanate. This proved that organic substances could be made in a lab without a living system. Mid-19th century Louis Pasteur, he showed that yeast cells convert sugar to alcohol, fermentation, and identified that bacteria cause the sour taste in wine. 1897 The Buchner brothers, they proved that yeast extracts could carry out fermentation. This birthed in vitro research, experiments performed in a test tube rather than a living system. 1903 Carl Neuberg, he is the man who officially coined the term biochemistry. The 20th century giants. Hans Adolf Krebs, 1937, described the citric acid cycle. Hershey and Chase, 1952, proved DNA, not protein, is our genetic material. Watson and Crick, 1953, discovered the double helical structure of DNA. Hargobind Khorana, 1968, an Indian-American biochemist, discovered the genetic code and won the Nobel Prize. Biochemistry isn't a lonely subject, it's interdisciplinary. It interacts with bioinformatics, using computers to store and analyze biological data, crucial for drug discovery. Biophysics, applying physics to understand the movement and thermodynamics of biomolecules. Medical and nutritional biochemistry, used to understand diseases like diabetes and obesity, and nutritional disorders like kwashiorkor or marasmus. Simply put, any imbalance in your normal metabolism leads to a disease state, and biochemistry is the key to identifying the cause. Now, let's talk about what we are made of. The cell is the basic unit of life, but cells are built from inorganic elements. The big four elements, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, are the precursors used to synthesize organic compounds like proteins and carbohydrates. Here is a quick exam checklist for biomolecule functions. Carbohydrates, your primary source of energy. Proteins, form muscles, myosin, hair, keratin, and act as enzymes. Lipids, essential for energy storage and forming the plasma membrane. Nucleic acids, DNA, RNA, the hereditary factors that store genetic information. Finally, remember your units. Biochemists use the International System of Units, C. Mass of biomolecules is often expressed in Daltons, Da. Length is measured in nanometers, nm. Conclusion: biochemistry is the foundation of modern medicine and biology. Master these basics, and you'll have a solid head start for your exams. Visual, text on screen, good luck with your studies. Study tips for the exam. Memorize the dates, 1828, urea, and 1903, term, biochemistry, are very common questions. Differentiate between in vivo and in vitro. In vivo means inside a living system, in vitro means in a test tube. Know your elements, be ready to list the macroelements, C, H, O, N, P, S, and their functions.